It's your boy KingPachino, aka Mr. King Crypto. Welcome to the Crypto Millionaire channel. Guys, I wanted to show you really quickly how to reduce your hydration fees with Splash. If you are dripping and you're splashing, guys, there's a big difference between drip and splash when it comes to hydration. You know, hydration fee with drip might be only $31, 31 cent or 41 cent or some 50 cent, maybe 70 cent to hydrate. But here with Splassive, the hydration fee is astronomical, guys. So I want you to pay attention to this, because if you're not doing it on your phone, you might not be checking your fees and you might be hydrating, spending all of your money, not understanding what you're doing. So I recommend personally having everything on the phone, because the phone allows you to see the fee. I'm going to show you that fee today, this morning. Now, I want to put a disclaimer out there. The fee can change throughout the course of the day, and that's with drip and Splassive. So if you go in to hydrate and you see a really, really high fee, then you do not want to hydrate at that moment. I will wait a few hours later on throughout the day, check back, see if the fee is lower, because the fee depends on the network traffic. And if it's really congested or busy or so, it can be a lot higher to hydrate, right? But I'm going to show you a way to reduce it. No matter what the price of it is, you can reduce it, but you want to still make sure that you're reducing it. You're hydrating at the time where you can get the best bang for your buck. Also, remember, I recommend only hydrating like maybe once a week based on how high the fee is. And if the fee becomes really expensive, guys, then maybe even once every 2 weeks. It just really depends, guys. So you're not getting killed in the hydration fees with Splassive, right? It pays 2% per day, but the fees are astronomical. So I'm going to show you how to reduce that. Also, I'm going to show you how you can actually, reduce your fees by actually using your own money. Using the money that you're winning and you're getting in your available balance for hydration. That's another strategy that you can do, right? So what you can do, guys, let me show you really quickly here. As you see, I'm here on the tab, right? Now, you see I have $38.13. If I wanted to, guys, I can take this available balance and I could claim it. And if I claim it, then it'll turn into Splash, right? And go into my wallet, and then I can sell it for AVAX. Now, I am going to pay 20% or whatever, right? But I could take a little bit of this money. I could take this $38 if I wanted to. Go ahead and take the taxes. I know they're going to take the taxes out, but I'm okay with that, because the rest of it could go back into AVAX. And that'll give me, over $30 worth of AVAX that could be in my wallet for hydration. So I don't have to come out of my own pocket to pay for hydration. I hope that makes sense. Right? So I can use some of my money that I'm earning to cover hydration fees. So I'm not always putting money, using my own money to cover these hydration fees. Because if you're a part of multiple projects, if you're a part of Drip, if you're a part of Splash, if you're a part of the garden and all of these things, guys, then that means, guess what? That means that you're going to have to keep paying all of these fees, right? And if you don't want to have to keep paying these fees, then this is a strategy you can do it. Now, but let's talk about how do you actually get rid of the hydration or lower the hydration. Well, when you come here to hydration, let's check it out for this morning, guys, right? You'll see it shows here, Splassive suggested fee, right? Click on the blue link, guys. Let's see how much it is. Look at this fee, guys, $7.87. So let's say if you're not paying attention to this, guys, and you're doing it on the computer, or even if you're doing it on the phone and you're not looking at your actual fee, you would not know that you're going to pay $7.89 right now to hydrate at 9, something in the morning, right? So you do not want to hydrate at this time. But I'm going to show you how you can reduce it. If you go right here to edit suggested gas fee, you can come here and click on low. And you notice it reduced it down to $4. Now, I'm still not going to hydrate at $4, guys, because that's pretty expensive to be doing, right? But what I'll do is I'll check back later on throughout the day, and maybe it'll be $4 or $3. Last time it was like $3.87 or something like that. And I clicked on low and it took it down to like $1.40, right? But I waited at least 5 or 6 days before I hydrated to reduce my fee, right? So I'm not hydrating every single day with Splassive. And so it balances out. So this is a quick video, guys, to show you how to actually reduce your hydration fee. Make sure you balance it out, guys. If you're dripping, if you're splashing, if you're inside of the garden with the drip as well, too, you're paying hydration fees for all these compounded interest investments, right? So balance it out, guys, if you have multiple things, you don't have to hydrate every single day. If you have multiple things going on, just make sure you balance it out. And that's what I do, guys. I'm balancing out every single thing now, spreading out how long it takes me to hydrate based on the fee, based on my projects that I'm involved with, guys. And I wanted to come and share this with you guys. So, hey, you know, really quickly before I go here, let's check out my updates here, guys. I'm doing this one for the phone. As you can see, guys, I got 46.058 splash in my deposit, 165.809 in my max payout, $38.09 in my available balance. That is pretty cool, guys. To know that 2% is working like that, that is pretty cool. Now, let's go and check out my actual drip. I'll come here to the sandwich bar menu to the left, guys. Switch out my network for Smart Chain. Once I get the Smart Chain, I'll go back to the browser, guys. Okay, I'll go down here to the bottom, and I'll scroll down here to my drip. Once you do here, guys, you got to go back and reconnect your wallet because I switched the network. Right now, drip is at $46.80. Good time to buy, guys. A great time to buy. Then I'll go to the faucet here. Let's check it out, guys. So I have $5.42 in my available balance. I hydrated yesterday. 52.344 worth of drip. In my deposit, max payout of 191 drip, guys. Pretty cool as well, too. Now, drip is the godfather, guys. Let me show you why. Number one, they have way more people. They've been around. They've proven that they can last almost approaching a year. In April, going to make a year. So over 93,000 players, guys, in here. So I want you to think about that. You know, we have way more support system. 93,000 people. So if people are afraid that it's going to go to zero, I'm not sure about that, guys. There's 90,000 people in here and things like that. So I trust drip more at this moment because it's more proven. Plus they have Forex Shark, which is pretty much a really master developer. He's worked on several projects and all of them have proven to be successful. So that's really good. Now, when it comes to, when it comes to Splassive, Splassive pays double the amount, though, 2%. But the hydration fees are astronomical. If I was to go here, guys, and go to drip, let me go here and go to the faucet, and I wanted to hydrate. Let's see what the fee is bright and early this morning for our drip. 44 cents, guys. See, it's already on low. 44 cents. That's a big difference. It's 10 times the amount right now. It's 20 times the amount right now. It's almost $8 right now to hydrate with Splash. So that's one of the, you have pros and cons. Splassive pays more, but the fees are astronomical. So you do not want to hydrate every single day. At 44 cents, I don't have a problem hydrating daily on drip if I wanted to, but because I have drip and I have the garden and I have Splassive, then I'll let this accumulate a little bit more. I'll probably hydrate every 3 days or something like that. Let it get up to about, so I'm averaging about $24 to $25 a day. I'll let it get up to about $75 or $100 or so, and then I'll go ahead and hydrate it. So that's what I'm doing there. But that's my strategy. And with Splassive, I just right now, I'm saying that I'll do once a week, but I'm going to keep that, open based on what I'm seeing so far as the network fee. So I'll keep my eyes on it, guys. I recommend you keep your eyes on it. I know it's new. So because it's new, maybe those fees will come down. Maybe they'll improve the system or so. But just keep an eye on it because I don't want you guys to overextend yourself hydrating, because when I first got started with drip, guys, I was not paying attention to the fee. And the fee throughout the course of the day was changing. Sometimes it was $1 and something, and I wasn't paying attention. And it was eating away at my profits. So I wanted to come and share this with you guys as a quick video tutorial banger for you guys straight from the phone, guys. Listen, I got a busy day today, so I wanted to get some content up that could be very helpful for you guys. So apologize for not having my amazing, intro that we've been banging, saying I'm dripping and splashing, but don't even worry about it, guys. You're going to get all the sauce. But today, you rock with this. Make sure that your hydration fees are good. I might come back on later on today. Got a lot of stuff to talk about, a lot of amazing things, guys, that's happening in the field. Keep on hydrating. If you're not dripping, you slipping. If you're not splashing, you crashing. Let's go.